And look at that, it looks pretty good. Here's our orders. Let's go ahead and see if we can add an order. Does our button, does it work to click and go to the order list? Yes, it does. And we haven't not added any orders yet. So let's go ahead and click new to add a new order. And you can see the auto number 1, it won't let us type here. That's just assigning the next available number. Since this is our first order, it's going to be order number 1. I have this cool drop down where I can select my customer. I'm going to sell something to myself, I think. The order date, we have this cool date picker. We didn't have to code any of that. It just came with the low code environment because I set my data type up to be a date time. So the order date, we can go ahead and pick a date here in August, and the pickup date we'll set here to be a week or so later. And what am I ordering? Let's see, what sounds good to me? I think I will get the princess cake. Okay, and we will save. Haha, look at that. There's my order. Now, one of the things I wasn't sure is how busy this was going to look and if it was going to look all right. I think it looks pretty good. You can play around with this and get it to your liking if you'd like. Go ahead and try our required edits. Say new. Notice I have number 2. If I save, yep, I get all of the requireds out there. So Ian is going to order on the 3rd, going to pick it up on the 17th, and Ian is going to get a, I don't know, maybe a chocolate cupcake. And we'll save. All right. Now, one thing I didn't do is I didn't configure this little button to go view edit, and I didn't configure my navigation over here. So let's go ahead and do that next. We'll go back to our Mendix, and we will go back to our order list, and we're going to take this button. Do y'all remember how it's supposed to look? It's supposed to look the same as on the other ones, right? Let's go take a quick peek. Customer list, it's supposed to say view edit with that little chevron or caret, whatever you want to call it. And it's supposed to have a blue background. So let's go do that. Order list. We're going to take the little button that's already there, and we're going to double click to configure it. The caption is going to be view edit. We decided that the icon is just fine. It's going to be a button though, and the button style is going to be info. On click action, we want to go to a page, show a page. Which page do we want? It already exists. It's our order new edit page. Select and OK. All right, that looks good. And then let's go do our navigation, and then we'll have one final test of that. Remember, our navigation is up in this app area here. So I'm going to expand that out. I'm going to put navigation here, double click to open it. We can see the navigation that's already set up. We're going to do new item, the caption. Again, we want to be consistent. We've got order list and the icon. Let's go see if we can find a shopping cart out there. Just going to search for cart. And sure enough, we've got the shopping cart. Select. And on click action, we want to show a page. Which page are we going to show? The order list page. And select. And OK. And it showed up. All right. File. Save all. And we're going to go and view our app, and we can test our navigation out. We've already validated that this works. Let's go see if this navigation works here. Sure enough, we can try view edit, and we can get to our order. We can save it. We can cancel it. All right, so now you've got your order processing set up.